Now, the family feud over industrialist Sanjay Kapoor's approximately 30,000 crore rupee estate continued in court today, with the Delhi High Court questioning his wife, Priya Sachdev Kapoor's demand for a non-disclosure agreement, the NDA, to reveal her late husband's personal assets. The High Court asked how much can go in a sealed cover. There is a limit to court proceedings. The court's remarks came on a petition by Ms. Priya seeking directions to Sanjay's children from his second wife and actor Karishma Kapoor to disclose, and his mother Rani Kapoor to sign an NDA in the interest of cybersecurity and other issues. On 12 September, the High Court had directed, if you remember, Priya to disclose all movable and immovable assets belonging to her late husband as of the 12th of June, the day of his death. So very quickly, here are the key takeaways from what happened in court just some time back. The Delhi High Court has questioned Priya's confidentiality demand. She wants the NDA agreement in this case. Moving on, let's bring you more points now. The High Court raised doubts over Priya Kapoor's demand, saying that how much can be really put into a sealed cover. The Delhi High Court also said it is difficult to keep a will confidential. Rani Kapoor in court, Rani Kapoor, remember, is Sanjay Kapoor's mother, said that the will has been forged and she needs a copy. Karishma Kapoor's counsel said, very importantly here, money wiped out from bank accounts mentioned in the will. Joining me live is Nupur Dogra, legal correspondent, NDTV. Nupur, you were in court. Take us through the key takeaways. What's interesting here is how Karishma Kapoor's counsel is saying that the money that was to be in the accounts mentioned in the will has been wiped out. That's a huge allegation being made by Karishma Kapoor's children's counsel.
Fact, they had made this argument while countering Priya's demand to seek a non-disclosure agreement from all the parties before disclosing the personal assets left behind by Sanjay Kapoor. Now they said that they, after accessing the will, remember in the last hearing, they were asked by the court to sign NDA for the will as well. And they said that after accessing the will, they found that the bank account details disclosed in the particular bank account detail disclosed in that will, the amounts are being wiped off, and if they sign another NDA with pertaining to the details of personal assets left behind by Sanjay Kapoor, they will be restricted in tracking and tracing that where is the money going and raising further claims in the court. Now the court was also of the opinion that when especially in cases like partition suit where the property is in dispute, for how long things can be kept in a sealed cover. The High Court said that ultimately tomorrow, when the court will start hearing the matter on the merits of the case, even the will is bound to be attached in the arguments and in the detailed documents that will be filed in the court. When the court hears these cases on day-to-day basis, the High Court really doubted Priya's submission that how is it possible to maintain everything in sealed cover.
Nupur, but what's the road ahead now? What should we expect in the coming hearing, in the next hearing?
Well, tomorrow the High Court has scheduled the hearing again, basically primarily on these two applications. First application is by Priya Kapoor, where she has sought a non-disclosure agreement from all parties before she files a sealed cover report of assets left behind by Sanjay. And second is the application by Sanjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, who is a third person in this entire dispute. Now, this dispute has turned a three-way dispute. It is not restricted to Karishma Kapoor versus Priya Kapoor. It is also now Rani Kapoor, who claims that she has been unjustly left out without a roof, and she has sought a copy of the will, and she has also called the will, just like Karishma Kapoor's children, she is also calling the will as forged will. She has questioned the authenticity of will, and tomorrow the court will be hearing submissions by Rani Kapoor's counsel.